10th Kirchhoff laws, creative teaching of electric current.
Chief in electrical lesson. These are the two laws are invented by Kirchhoff sir. That's why there are two laws. First law and second law. First law is called junction law. Second law is called loop law. In the first law, we will have to see the definition of the first law. The algebraic sum of current passing through a junction is the current passed by E is equal to 0. Means the incoming current is equal to the outgoing current, or approaching current is equal to at the junction, and departing current is equal to 0. That is, here you know that algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means the sum with plus and positive and negative signs with variables. That is the algebraic sum. Here our general sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Here algebra sum is minus 1 alpha, minus 1 ampere, minus 1 ampere and plus 1 ampere, and here variable is A. Variable is A. This is, you will have to know. This is the variables, this is the algebraic sum comparing it to 0. Then there is a junction. What is junction? Here is a junction. Here is junction. Junction means 0. This side 3 positive 3 amperes. Here this side this side here this side positive 2 amperes. Here in this side positive 3 amperes. But in this side it will go. In this side it also coming inside. So also coming inside. This is also, what is that? Negative. This is 3, 2, 3. These are the what is this? These are the what is that? These are the 3, 2, 5, 8. Here 6 and minus 2. Minus and negative. It will go to 3. This junction, what will happen? This equal to 0. The 3 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 2, 8 amperes is equal to minus 2A plus 6A. This is the Kirchhoff first law or current law or junction law.